think she's on a Harley. Let's go. We're having breakfast here in a coffee house in Koreatown before we hit Santa Monica. So we've got a couple of ham and cheese croissants and a couple of coffees. And I'm going to have this, maybe walk around a little bit and then head to Santa Monica. Really cute little coffee shop though. All that, 28 bucks. Is pretty thick. Hopefully it's going to clear at some point today. Perfect temperature. There we go. He got up, but I guess he didn't like that it was such a short run. So I'm gonna take a trip down to Venice and just turn around. I can find something to eat. I think she's on a Harley. And I can't remember if I said anything about the bike shed from yesterday, but that place was good. Food was good. So food was good at Bike Shed. Definitely recommend it. We'll be going back there again. So if you're ever in the area, check out Bike Shed Moto. It's on Industrial, downtown LA. So the marine land is not cleared yet. degrees, so nice. We're getting close. It's like 1, 2, 3.5 blocks up. So it's called R&D Cafe. That's in Research and Development Cafe, but I don't think that's what the R&D stands for. Maybe it does. I don't know. Made it to R&D Kitchen. Parked right outside too.
Do you want to sit on a high top table?
Sure. If there's room. Enjoying it?
Very nice.
It's good. Had the chicken chicken spaghetti. And Jenny had the Asian
Chicken noodle.
chicken noodle. Both really good. So we're going to be taking, going to be jumping onto PCH Highway 1, and that's going to take us up to Malibu. At least I think that's the way we're going. We're not by the ocean right now, so. Nice little neighborhood here in Santa Monica.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, cause I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you. I wish you could be happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye. LA made you crazy, yeah, yeah. I see your stories and I can't believe all the people you meet. Think you belong with everybody else, but you belong with me. And there's nothing I can do, cause you don't see straight when it comes to her. No, she's gonna eat you up whole, spit you out, and then you'll be free. Every piece. I wish you could be happy.
Checked into our room, Malibu Country Inn. So we got an ocean view. They told us all about it. We were excited. So anyway, this is the room.
Well, if you look very carefully, you will see the ocean.
Oh no, we got an ocean view. Nice big deck. Even a swimming pool. And then, if you look right over there, that's the ocean. That's our ocean view. So we're in Malibu for our last night, and we're going to be going to Neptunes Net for dinner. Catch a nice sunrise. Marine has lifted up here, so it's not quite like Santa Monica right now. So should be a nice sunrise, sunset. So we'll see you at dinner.
afford. Don't I make you feel something? Or maybe you can't feel anything. She's not gonna give you everything. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie, lie, lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more. No, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah.
So sunset is coming, a little ways away, about an hour I'm guessing. The Neptunes Net's looking mighty pretty in this golden hour. Typical for a weekday, it's not that busy. But it'd be rude not to do it while we're here. So the sunset didn't happen. The marine layer came in, and now it's just overcast. So, oh well.
No sunset shots.
Oh well. Oh dear. Never mind. But I just had my fish and chips, my go-to,
I had my clam chowder.
and that about wraps up this little getaway. So. Did you have fun, babe?
I had a lot of fun. Thank you for bringing me out here.
Thank you for coming. What was your favorite bit?
I'd say meeting Matt Laidlaw.
But yeah, it's been a really great trip. Perfect weather. LA traffic hasn't been too bad to us at all. And tomorrow we do the 400 plus mile home ride and back to work this weekend, even though it's my birthday on Saturday. But thanks for coming, babe.
Oh, it's your birthday on Saturday?
What else? Thanks for coming, babe. Thanks for being here.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, thanks to everyone that we bumped into. It was great to see Pat and Val last night. Great to see the two Lane boys yesterday as well. And thank you to Matt Laidlaw. And in the meantime, please like, subscribe, comment on our channel. It really helps us. And hopefully we'll be doing some kind of riding. We won't probably be doing any more trips this year because we are on the verge of November and the holiday season. But we'll definitely be doing some toy runs for Christmas. So we'll be filming those, but otherwise stay safe and let's enjoy the cooler weather and get ready for the summer of 24. All right, peace out.